Okay, so today I'll be showing you guys how I made my off-shoulder birthday baby shower jumpsuit. So I'm going to be using the pattern from my website, which is the no middle seam jumpsuit pattern, and I'll just be making a few alterations to that pattern, which will be creating the wide leg bottoms instead of the legging fitted bottom, and creating the off the shoulder, so cutting the top off and making an off shoulder jumpsuit haltered. The front of the jumpsuit is cut on the fold, and the back of the jumpsuit you'll be cutting two pieces out. So you'll see with the front of the jumpsuit is kind of has those flaps in the front. So that's just the access from if the jumpsuit was actually a full jumpsuit with the sleeves or the no sleeve. But since I'm doing it off shoulder, we're going to just cut those pieces off. Okay, next we're going to be starting on the shoulder straps for the off-shoulder part. And you'll see there's two pieces on the top and two pieces on the bottom. I'm just going to sew those two pieces together and then do a hem.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. Yeah. You got it bad. You got it bad for me, babe. I don't feel clear.
Okay, so I pinned everything on, including the shoulder straps and the applique. Next, we're going to be doing some ruffles over the shoulder straps, and just make sure the applique is placed where I would like it to be placed. And that's the last thing we would end up working on. Okay, so this is what the ruffles look like. So you'll also see that I cut a little V out for some cleavage, and I put a piece of mesh there just so that it could kind of keep everything together, since I did not use a bra or any type of stability within that top part. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them down below. I'll also link the pattern package in my description box if you're interested in purchasing.
don't mess around because she loves me so, and this I know for sure. But does she really wanna?